Well, thank you for staying with the Monday Report. A Kahawa Law Court will on Wednesday rule on an application by the Anti-Terror Police Unit seeking to detain Advocate Chacha Mwita for 20 days pending investigations into terror-related charges. Mwita was arrested in Mombasa after investigations linked him to facilitation of terror acts and offering services to terrorist organizations. Chacha's legal team have denied the allegations, saying that representation of terror suspects is not criminal.
Lawyer Chacha Mwita is no stranger to this court. For the last 10 or so years, Mwita has been in this court defending his clients, most of them facing terror-related charges. On Monday, the story was different. Chacha Mwita is in the dock. According to an application by the Anti-Terror Police Unit, he is facing at least 4 charges linked to terrorism. Chacha Mwita was arrested in Mombasa and driven to Nairobi, where he spent the weekend in police custody.
To be subjected to a thorough investigative process.
Anti-terror detectives want him detained for 20 days pending investigations into soliciting and giving support to terrorist organizations, facilitation of terrorist acts, collection or provision of property and services for commission of terrorism acts, and financing of travel for terrorism purposes. Prosecutor says investigations have linked Mwita to a recruitment syndicate in the coastal area, where it is alleged he has been facilitating youth to join terror groups.
The said 2 redacted numbers were already linked through investigations to a Binance account associated with an individual designated as a designated terrorist entity by not Kenya, but the United Nations Security Council.
Mwita defense disputed the charges, citing an attempt from the state to frustrate Mwita and other legal minds from representing or offering legal services to terror suspects.
Because all these advocates will run away. Because if they represent anyone associated with the terrorism, the next day they will not be in the back. They will be where Mr. Chacha is. Your Honor, this court has an obligation to protect the legal fraternity.
In this application, which is around 7 pages, they have not documented any reason whatsoever for the court to consider why they were not able to complete their investigation in time.
I want to give myself sufficient time to go through the authorities, the application, and everything, and deliver a ruling. Therefore, we will convene back here in court for the ruling on Wednesday, 19th of November.
The advocate will be detained at ICD police station in Nairobi, even as police insist on pursuing other accomplices linked to terrorism and the cryptocurrency syndicate. Franklin Wala, Citizen TV.
Here, yes, I'm trying to